we've got such a great state, and I get to see the amazing things that are happening and talk to smart kids that show off all the good things about their school.
My name is Stephanie Bishop, and I am from the Milken Family Foundation. And I am here for 2 reasons. At the Milken Family Foundation, we believe that educators have the most important job in this country. And second,
I am here to tell you a secret. And before I leave here today, you will know the secret too. Should I tell you?
an educator right here is going to receive the Milken Educator Award.
Superintendent Critchfield, may I have the envelope, please? The Milken Educator Award goes to your principal, Ms. Heather Efaw.
The Milken Educator Award goes to Kelly Sheridan.
I'm so proud to work with the staff here. All of the staff members at Compass are deserving of recognition and do an incredible job, and I'm just so lucky to work with people who are hardworking and care about students as individuals and learning and being the best they can be. So I'm just lucky to work in such a supportive district and with wonderful people and all of you students.
The moment I heard my name, I really just, like I shared, had the feelings of overwhelm and just like, what just happened? Like, this is not real life right now, that I think educators get awarded for the great work that they're doing. And so I didn't even know something like this existed. It's inspiring to just think about continuing to dive into the hard work that we do every day and continuing to work towards our mission and vision that all kids are set up to have a future of their choice.
In both cases, with both awards, and I think with every teacher that gets honored, their first thought leading up to this surprise is not about themselves. They're thinking and identifying other people in the room, other teachers that they're thinking in their mind, oh, it could be this person, could be this person. And I think that that's just the heart of a teacher. They're thinking outside of themselves. And so to have this moment to say, no, it's you, but then also recognizing that there are so many incredible individuals, it could be so many other people in the room, I just think really elevates everything about the profession.